Morning, dear friends. This is Asif Javed, welcoming you all on my official YouTube channel Maths Quest. First of all, I would like to tell you one and all that this channel is totally devoted to the service of mathematics. So whatever video I upload here on my channel, it is directly or indirectly related to mathematics. So in today's lecture, I am going to discuss on a very important, I would say, paper. It's of the winter zone, Jammu and Kashmir Board of School Education. So today we will try to discuss the MCQs part of the paper that was asked in the maths exam of winter zone by the Jammu and Kashmir Board of School Education. So let me take the first question. The first question is regarding the decimal expansion of 3 by 8 will terminate after how many places of decimal. So here we have to see that. So here 3 is divided by 8. Since 3 is lesser than 8, so we will place point here. Now this will become 30. So this is 8 3s are 24. Now if you go forward 10, if you take 4 difference of if you take subtraction of 10 and 4, it is 6. So it is 6, so we will write it as 60. It will become 8 7s are 56. One more step, this is 4 here, it will become 40, so 8 5s are 40. So you can see clearly that it is getting terminated after how many decimal places? After 3 decimal places. So it is clear that the answer will be 3. Is that okay? Answer will be 3. Let's go across the next question. A polynomial of degree 2 is called, this is called quadratic polynomial. So let us also have a look at other options. Linear polynomial is the polynomial of degree 1. Cubic polynomial is the polynomial of degree 3. So since we have been asked the polynomial of degree 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Let's jump across the next. The next question is the roots of quadratic equation have no real roots if. So let me tell you that in quadratic equation we come across a very important concept that is called discriminant, which we actually denote by d. This is equal to b square minus 4ac. On the basis of discriminant, we actually decide whether the equation has real solutions, it has imaginary or no solutions. And in case of real solutions, we have two cases, real and coincident, that is real and equal, and real and distinct. So if discriminant is greater than 0, then we have real solutions, and if discriminant is less than 0, so we have non-real solutions, or we will say that it has no real roots. Roots, solutions, zeros means one and the same thing. So you must not be confused when these words are used interchangeably. So first option is not correct because it will have real solution in this case, and those will be real and distinct. So this is not correct. Second one, it will have real solution, real and distinct. This is not also correct. So third one is correct. So fourth will be incorrect. So we have option number C for this. Let's move across the next one. 10th term of this AP. As you all of the students are well equipped with the concept of arithmetic progression. So whenever we talk about arithmetic progression, we actually we must know about the first term and the common difference. If you can give me the first term and the common difference, I can give you the whole AP. So here we have to find the 10th term. If you have to find any nth term, then the formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is a here? It's 2. you have to find the 10th term, so n will be 10 minus 1. And what is d? 7 minus 2 is 5, 12 minus 7 is 5, so this is 5. So this is going to be 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5. So this is going to be 2 plus 45, which is 47. So here we go, the D option. Let's move across the next question. It's a fifth question. It asks you that the coordinates of the points on the x-axis which are equidistant from the points this and this. Suppose I am taking any point x, y. Now it is given to us that this is equidistant from some point A, say 2 comma minus 5, and this is also at the same distance from minus 2 comma 9. So we have to find x and y. We have to find x and y. How can we find x and y? One thing is clear to us that the coordinate of the point on the x-axis, this is a point on the x-axis. So if this is a point on the x-axis, so y coordinate has to be 0. This is very much clear, because if you take the coordinate system, you are well equipped with the concept of coordinate geometry. Any point on the x-axis will have the y coordinate 0. So this is any point on the x-axis, and this is equidistant from these 2 points. So that means PA, if this is point B, this is point A, then PA is equal to PB. So PA is equal to PB. That means the distance of the point x comma 0 from this point and this point is same. By distance formula, you know that the distance between this and this will be equal to under root, this is x minus 2 whole square, plus 0 minus minus, this becomes plus 5 whole square. This is equal to PB will be equal to distance between this and this. This is x minus minus plus 2 whole square, and this is plus 0 minus 9 whole square. So let's do some simplification. So if you do some, before doing any simplification, further simplification, let's take squaring on both sides, because we just want to get rid of this radical term. We just want to get rid of root. So this square root gets cancelled. So what are we left with? This is x square plus 4 minus 4x. Is that okay? Plus 9, and this is equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 81. Now x square and x square gets cancelled out. 4 and 4 gets cancelled out. So if we take x on one side and the constant terms on the other side, let me take this 4x on the right hand side. So this will become 4x plus 4x. This is equal to 8x. And let me keep the 9 on its side, 9. And if I will bring this 81 on this side, this will become 9 minus 81. Fine, this is okay. So 8x is equal to 9 minus 81. Now, what is 9 minus 81? If we take 9 from 81, how much it will be? It will be 72. In fact, this is minus 72. So 8x is equal to minus 72. So if you will divide both sides by 8, it will be minus 9. So you get what? Minus. So 8x is equal to minus 72. So this means x is equal to minus 9. So that means point was x comma 0. That means the point would have been minus 9 comma 0. But unfortunately, there is no point which is minus 9 comma 0. There is 7 comma 0. There is minus 7 comma 0. There is 0 comma minus 7. So none of these is going to be the correct option. Let's move across the next. Just a second. Yes, here we go. So here is the next question. A tangent to circle is a line that intersects the circle at. Now this is a concept based question. A tangent to circle is a line. If this is a circle, then a line which touches circle at 2 points, suppose A and B, this is called secant. This is called secant. And if a line touches circle at only 1 point, this is called tangent to circle. So I can say that this is 1 point. Next, the area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 8 centimeter. आपको क्या दिया गया है? You have been given a circle which is inside a square. This is like this. I'm not very good at drawing, but I suppose that you will manage with this. So this is a square of side 8 centimeter. So from here it is very clear that this circle will have diameter 8 centimeter. So if this has diameter 8 centimeter, so radius will be 4 centimeter. So we are asked the area of the circle. So what will be area of the circle? This is pi r square. This is pi r square. So this is pi into what is your so radius? This is 4 square. So this is pi 4 square. This is 16 pi centimeter square. So this is going to be the correct option, 16 pi centimeter square. The sum of probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is equal to जो probabilities होती हैं, total probability जो है, जितने भी elementary events आप ले लें, probability, there is a general concept regarding probability that the probability of any event, it is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 1. कम से कम probability 0 हो सकती है और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 1, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती. So it can be anything between 0 and 1. So here the total probability is equal to what? The total probability, the sum of all the probabilities, जो जितने भी आप ऐड कर लें वो कितना हो सकता है? मैक्सिमम 1 ही हो सकता है, 1 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता है. तो सम करके जो है वो 1 ही आएगा. Next, the value of this. Now this is based on the concept of trigonometry, and moreover this is based on the concept of trigonometric functions of trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Now you will write this as sine 73 degrees. If you see at cos 17 degrees, can I write it as cos 90 minus 73 degrees? Yes, I can write it. Now I have a formula. What is that? Cos 90 minus theta. This is equal to sine theta. So this is sine theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. That means this is sine 73 degrees. So sine 73 and 73 gets cancelled. This is equal to 1. So this is going to be, what is going to be the correct answer? This is going to be 1. Coming to the last question, I guess, volume of the sphere. This is again very simple. Volume of sphere with radius r, this is 4 by 3 pi r cube. As far as this is concerned, this is your area, this is your volume of hemisphere. So this is not going to be the answer. This is nothing, and none of these. This cannot be none of these because this is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So these were the MCQs which were asked in the forthcoming lecture. Maybe you will comment that which question you want me to do for you guys, which you are feeling you are not comfortable at, or you want to confirm that question. So this is all I have from this lecture. Thank you very much for actually watching this lecture. Thank you very much.